If you've written Python in the last 2 years, you've probably used UV or Rough. Blazing fast. Actually works. Beloved by developers everywhere. They were made by a company called Astral. Small team, open source, no drama. Just quietly making the most annoying parts of Python, not annoying. This week, OpenAI acquired them. Now, OpenAI's entire pitch is that AI will write your code for you. They sell AI coding assistants. They're training models on billions of lines of Python. And they just bought the tools that make Python development pleasant for humans. The irony writes itself. The company automating away developers just hired the team making developers more productive. Astral says the tools stay open source. OpenAI says it's about Python infrastructure. Everyone says don't worry. But here's the thing, the developer tools you trust most are now owned by the company whose AI is supposed to replace you. Sleep well.